guys, so today I'm going to be doing a full day of eating, and typically I would think that those videos would be kind of boring because I eat the same thing every day. As you guys just saw, I have the same breakfast as I put in my last video, but today is our cheat meal. So I get one cheat meal a week, and today we're going to go get pizza, as you guys saw in the thumbnail, but I'm really excited. You know, in the past off seasons, I've done too much like cheating and the results really weren't there. But this off season, I've really made it a priority to stick to my meal plan as the best as I can. But you still want to have some freedom. So we are going to get our one cheat meal in the week, and I'm really excited about it. So I'm going to take you guys through my full day of eating. For this meal, I showed you guys we have 200 grams of rice, 280 grams of egg whites, 3 pieces of turkey bacon, 1 whole egg, and 3 waffles. So it's a lot, but the macros are 107 grams of carbs, 16 grams of fat, 48 grams of protein, and 783 total calories. I'll put those up on the screen, and at the end of the day, I'll show you guys what the total calorie count is with all the macros included. But I will see you guys for the next meal. All right, guys, we are back with meal 2. So it is 300 grams of rice and 150 grams of beef, as you guys saw in the last video, but I added a little bit of sauce to it. We got Ying's stir fry sauce, and then my favorite sriracha sauce. It's from Roland. This literally tastes like hibachi, and it's unmatched. So if you guys aren't using Ying's sauce, I don't know what you're doing, and you're seriously missing out. They literally have it on Amazon. I had my mom buy like 5 bottles of it. But nonetheless, we're gonna eat this meal up, and then we're gonna go grab some groceries because I'm running out of beef and turkey and then some other stuff. But when we get back, I'll show you guys our grocery haul, and then we'll probably eat another meal after that and then head over to the gym. All right, guys, so we just got back from the store. We got a bunch of groceries. So we got about 6 pounds of ground beef here, which I'm going to cook right now for our next meal. And then I have like 5 pounds of ground turkey. And then we've got these taco seasonings from H-E-B. If y'all aren't from Texas, you probably don't know what H-E-B is, but I swear to you, it is the best grocery store in the country. So I don't want to hear all y'all Florida people talking about Publix and all that crap, because H-E-B is the best. But we also got the coffee and the creamer because your boy's tired and I need that caffeine, and a bunch of energy drinks. Sabrina likes the Reigns, and I'm more of like the Ghost guy. But we also got peanut butter, rice, which the peanut butter is on my meal plan, but I won't be using that for my meal today because we're going to get the cheat meal, and usually peanut butter is in my last meal of the day. Egg whites, salsa for the eggs, and protein shakes. If you guys are on prep, I wouldn't recommend having the salsa and the seasoning and all that sauce stuff. I would kind of limit it, but we're in the off season and we're eating a lot of food, so sometimes you have to do what you have to do to get the food down. But other than that, we're gonna go ahead and cook this food up, and then I will see you for the next meal. All right, guys, so this is meal number 3, the pre-workout meal. We have 150 grams of ground turkey, 300 grams of rice again, and then I wanted to show you guys the pre-workout stack. So basically, I do a scoop of this. It's the essential pre-workout from CBum. I don't really use a lot of high stim pre-workouts anymore, just because I noticed that I honestly was getting worse lifts in. I think I was too like energized. So I've been doing more of the like lower caffeinated pre-workouts. I also do a serving of L-carnitine. The pumps from that are insane, as well as a serving of pump sauce. So this is gonna be the pre-workout stack. I'm gonna eat this, and then I'm gonna head to the gym, and you guys will see a clip from yesterday's workout. So I will see you there.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we just got back from the gym. Meal number 4, our last meal before we go get pizza. So I didn't put any sauce on this meal because I didn't want my stomach to be all messed up before we go, but we have...
You didn't tell me we were doing that. I put syrup in my oats.
Well, hopefully she digests that pretty quick. But I got 200 grams of rice with 150 grams of beef. I told you guys, it's super boring, but the reason I'm doing a full day of eating today is because we're going to get pizza. So I will see you guys there. I'm not gonna lie. At this point, I am like really sick of eating and I don't feel like eating, but I'm really, really looking forward to that pizza. So you guys are about to see the top eater. I literally think that I could do eating competitions. So you guys are about to see me down a huge 18-inch large pizza. So I will see you guys there. All right, guys, we made it. We're here at Grimaldi's. I don't know if you guys have heard of this place, but it's so good. And it's like the closest thing that we can get to actual like Italian pizza. I don't really like Papa John's and Domino's and like pepperonis and all those places because I'm Italian, so I really like just like the true Italian pizza. And we were also in Italy this summer, so the closest thing we can find to that is this place. It's unbelievable, but I can't wait to show you guys. We already ordered, so when the pizza comes, I'm gonna show you guys how to actually down a pizza like a big bag. Here we go. This is what you guys have been waiting for.
Oh!
Like a pro. And we have another one on the way, so we're gonna have a long night ahead of us. All right, so we're about halfway through, as you guys can see. I burnt the roof of my mouth, but other than that, it's unbelievable. I would give it like a 9 out of 10. I've been in New York like 20 times. I've had pizza in New York 20 times. I've had pizza in Italy, and this is like on the same level, so it's unbelievable. You guys really have to come see it, and we'll see if we can finish it. All right, that's what we did. A lot of damage. Yeah, that was a full day of eating there for you, but we really did take care of that. So the total macros for the day: 228 grams of protein, 540 grams of carbs, and 106 grams of fat. So that is 4,097 total calories for the day. And yeah, so that is what you call a big back full day of eating. I hope you guys enjoyed that one.